In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. This is a crucial skill for structuring lengthy documents, making them easier to navigate and more professional. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open LibreOffice Writer. On your computer, look for the LibreOffice icon and double-click it. Once LibreOffice launches, you should see the Start Center. From here, click on the Writer Document option. You can either open an existing document or start fresh with a new one. This flexibility allows you to incorporate a table of contents in any document you are working on. The next step is crucial for preparing your document to host a table of contents. It's important to use heading styles for your titles, as a TOSI is built around these styles, not just bold or larger fonts. Select the text that you intend to use as chapter or section titles. Now, direct your attention to the Styles box at the top left corner, usually labeled as Default Paragraph Style. Here, you'll have a variety of heading levels to choose from. For instance, use Heading 1 for main chapter titles, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for sub-subsections. It's key to repeat this process for all titles throughout your document, ensuring the TOC will capture every section you envision. Now, it's time to insert the table of contents itself. Place your cursor at the spot in the document where you want to feature the TOC, typically at or near the beginning. Navigate to the Insert menu, then select Table of Contents and Index, followed by Table of Contents, Index, or Bibliography. A dialog box will pop up on your screen. Under the Type section, ensure you select Table of Contents. Once you're satisfied, click OK, and just like that, you have inserted a TOC into your document. As you continue to add or rearrange content within your document, remember that your table of contents might need updating. To refresh it, simply right-click on the TOC and select Update Index Table. This updates your TOC instantly, reflecting any changes made to heading styles or positions within your document. For those interested in a more tailored approach, customizing your table of contents is straightforward. Right-click on your TOC again, but this time, choose Edit Index Table. Here, a dialog box offers several options. You can rename the title to something like Contents or Index, adjust how many heading levels appear, and even modify formatting styles to suit your document's aesthetic needs. If ever you decide that the table of contents is no longer necessary, removing it is quick and simple. Click inside the TOC, right-click, and select Delete Index Table. Just like that, it's gone. By following these steps, you'll be able to construct a clear and functional table of contents in LibreOffice Writer, giving your documents a polished and professional edge. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!